Calling all the heads of institutions. Greetings, and I hope this message finds you well. If you are committed to your students' success and believe that English is the most essential skill for their academic and career progress, we have a solution for you. Xylem Sys Education, a division of Xylem Corporation, is a supplementary education service provider that has installed over 300 English language labs in and around India. Today, we are proud to announce our collaboration with Carnegie Mellon University's USA Department of Artificial Intelligence for Speech in the development of an innovative program called Native Accent. Native Accent is an artificial intelligence-based program designed to help your students learn to speak English up to 5 times faster than traditional methods, providing them with a more efficient and effective language learning experience. Native Accent is a cloud-based learning system that enables students to learn and practice anytime, anywhere, and enhances their ability to master English and master the world. The Native Accent program enables personalized learning experiences based on student needs. It has automated language assessment tools to evaluate proficiency objectively. Native Accent powered lesson plan would be a lesson plan that is created, adapted, or enhanced by artificial intelligence. With the Native Accent program, the students can experience personalized lesson plans that analyze the strengths, weaknesses, and interests of each student and create tailored lesson plans. Adaptive learning experiences. Native Accent AI program monitors student progress in real time and adjusts the lesson plan to provide more or less challenging activities based on their performance. Interactive exercises and simulations. Native Accent AI program generates interactive exercises and simulations that are customized to each student's level and learning style. Speech recognition technology. Native Accent AI program uses speech recognition technology to help students improve their pronunciation and speaking skills by providing instant feedback on their pronunciation. Overall, an AI-powered lesson plan is designed to be flexible, adaptive, and personalized to meet the needs of each student. However, it is important to note that the role of the teacher would still be crucial in guiding and facilitating the learning process. Xylem Sys offers more care with an enhanced support system. Our on-site program manager assists students in mastering the language and seamlessly overcoming day-to-day tasks in the most enjoyable and effortless way. They will provide students with conversational practice in a safe and non-judgmental environment. Xylem Sys helps you implement this in your campus to have an instant homogeneous English ambience by creating a campus English environment with posters and daily vocabulary using simple flashcards. Once your students have mastered speaking good English, Xylem Sys organizes webinars and seminars and implements job skills and the essentials of job interviews to create a pathway to success. Certificate from Carnegie Mellon University USA, Native Accent. Our yearly hybrid program leads to certification for all students who complete the task from Carnegie Mellon University, Native Accent, USA. All of this is available at an incredibly low cost of only 11 rupees per day, which is less than the cost of tea. This enables your institution to focus on subjective skills while we implement functional skills to help your students climb the ladder. We would be happy to organize a Google Meet to discuss the Campus English program and how it can transform your students. We will cover what we propose, the implementation plan, the support system, and how your students will have an international certification with lifetime value. Please feel free to contact us at any time to discuss the program further. I would like to thank you sincerely for your time, and I look forward to continuing our dialogue toward a positive outcome. This is Aleman Chandrasekhar, CEO of Xylem Sys. Please call me or WhatsApp me at +9 192446111432. Thank you and have a great day.